We pride ourselves on our democratic rights. Our right to disagree, our right to protest, our right to join a trade union, a right to join an organisation campaigning for change, environmental change, air pollution, health services, many, many things. And we believe that that's important. And at the moment, there's a bill going through Parliament which puts a lot of this at risk because it authorises the state to send people undercover into organisations where they can commit crimes. They'll be allowed to get away with crimes against individuals and to undermine and damage those organisations. And they will be authorised to do it outside the law. And so our safety is actually at risk, the safety of all of us in our democratic society. I voted against this bill when it first came to Parliament, and I believe when it comes back on Thursday, Parliament should reject it in its entirety. Our security comes from respect for human rights, respect for law, and respect the right in our democratic society to say what we agree with and what we don't agree with. If we let these rights go, we won't get them back.